What's up, kids? It's Friday, time to go home. According to my onboard thermometer, it is 104.9. That should be a radio station, not the temperature. Frickin' ridiculous. But hey, it's the weekend. I got a freaking for the weekend or something. So let's go home. I got plans for this weekend. I got to edit some videos big time. But tomorrow I got a booyah up at Southern Thunder Harley Davidson. So get home today, chill out. I got some bro videos to watch. Nothing at Random made a video from his Jersey trip, so I gotta go see that. Gotta support my kid, my little brother, my little kid brother. Gotta knock the carbon off the bike. On a totally unrelated note, 105 degrees outside. This is when it's worth it to have a sheepskin seat cover on your bike. I would have fillet of testicle right now without this sheepskin, and I can still feel some heat through it, but nothing like a leather seat in the direct sunlight when it's 105 outside. Due to the cooling power of wind, it's down to 100.4 now. But yeah, baby, I am glad I do not have to brave this heat without a sheepskin. If you're wondering where I got mine from, I got it from Alaska Leather. It's worth it to get one just for the sticker. All right, I'm going home. We're on our way up to Harley Freedom Days today. It's the last weekend in July, so yeah, one more chance to celebrate our freedoms. If you're new here, I'm Randy Ryder. I do stuff, I do a lot of stuff here for your pleasure. It's a tough life, somebody's got to do it. These motorcycles ain't gonna ride themselves. So we're off to Harley Davidson in South Haven, Mississippi. Yeah, it's a hot day, so I won't be hiding behind a fairing today. So I decided to take the old girl out, and I'm going up to Harley. Why not ride a Harley up to Harley? It's funny when I ride the BMW up there. But for today, yeah, I needed the breeze. I need the breeze. You get plenty of breeze on the BMW when you're doing about 70 or 80 on the highway, but for this, not a whole lot of stop and go traffic on the path I take. So took in the Harley. So I'll see you guys there. We got another full house today. You want to hear me complaining? Oh, parking beside my favorite Harley. Oh, love it. Well, let's get in and find out what's going on. Now this bike has everything I want on a bike. It's blue. It's got a 2-in-1 exhaust and a saddleman seat. So moving up the road. And everything's got to have a fairing. So yeah, Aaron, Seven, yeah, this is where you guys fucked up. You should have got this bike. Mo better. And it's got a stage 4, or maybe it's just got stage 4 stickers. Not sure. That's popular now, you know. All right, moving on. So I obviously couldn't get by without putting this on. You gotta enjoy that. Andy's a Navy guy. Come on now. You gotta get points for that one. So we're here with the Stunt bikes now. They have a quiet time, so I figured I'd film them while you could still hear me. Obviously they're sponsored by Law Tigers, and if you ever wondered what makes all the sparks, it's this. They're not really grinding down their fenders. They've got some spark blocks on there, and not sure what it is. It looks like maybe a strip piece of magnesium. What is it? Titanium. It's a piece of titanium. Now you know. If you ever wonder, now you know. So yeah, these two blue ones are ridden by the same guy. You want to talk about them?
Clay Rainwater.
So what's your name?
Mike Rainwater, Clay's dad. These two right here are Clay's. The one down, the third one is Jacob Overton, and this one over here is Jacob Overton.
take a closer look at that one in a second. So, so you're proud of him? You must be, because
Oh,
you're
yeah.
here.
Yeah, I've gone through a lot with him. It gives me the gray hair, you know.
I get it. I got 4 kids, so
Yeah.
I know all about that.
You know all about that. It's a lot better than bull riding.
This is, yeah, I grew up in Texas, so yeah, this is, can't hear everybody listening to me, but yeah, this is
bull riding and freestyle motor dirt bikes. This is pretty easy compared to all that.
yeah,
And they do a lot of shows.
awesome. Yeah, they look really cool. I'm gonna film a little bit of the bikes. Nice talking to you.
You're good to talk to you. Got another show at 1.
So we've got a show in 30 minutes. Yeah, these are beautiful bikes. Okay, this one obviously can't be a wheelie bike. Okay. Yeah, that's another gorgeous one. These are some gorgeous bikes. All right, guys, let's see what else is going on inside. So we're with Clay now. He's one of the stunt riders.
How's it going?
So where are you from? What do you ride?
From Searcy, Arkansas, and I ride a 2005 Donna FXD and then also a 14 FXDB Street Boss.
So these are actually your bikes.
Yeah.
This is what you
Yeah.
ride every day.
Yeah.
Not just for,
Yeah, these
for
are
shows.
street legal, ready to go. Just got suspension on them. We got saddleman seat, Basani exhaust on both of them. Quick Industries risers and foot pegs. They're a big company that sponsors me, so it's, yeah, they're set up to cruise on and do wheelies, whatever you want to do on them.
So how'd you
Burn
get
out.
into this?
Grew up riding dirt bikes and stuff like that. Always liked doing the tricks, and saw a video of some guys out in California doing wheelies on Harleys, and I was like, man, that's cool. So I went and bought one and figured it out. I got a YouTube, Clay Rainwater on YouTube, and yeah, try to post stuff all the time and put on some shows and get people excited.
All right, give me that one more time. I'll put it in the highlights when I make this up. Your YouTube.
YouTube, it's just Clay Rainwater.
Clay Rainwater.
Clay
Yeah.
Rainwater. You'll see Burnout on the background and some Harley Willy videos.
All right, I'll make sure I put a shot of that
Yeah.
up. So what's your favorite trick to do?
That's a tough one. I like scraping the rear fender on the ground. It makes some cool sparks. So you got.
Everybody likes sparks.
Yeah, we love sparks. I like us doing wheelies through the fire. We'll set out a strip of gasoline, and then we'll come by. One of us will scrape it, light it on fire, and then the other one will come behind and wheelie through the fire.
Oh, very neat.
And yeah, so that's a cool one. Also drifting, you know, drifting and burnouts, popping tires. It's hard to pick a favorite, but.
Do you get hurt very often? See,
It's
you got
kind
the
of
boot unit out on you today, so.
Yeah, it's kind of we don't talk about it too much, but it's yeah, it happens. You get a little road rash every now and then, but we practice these tricks and stuff over and over and over and over until we, you know, we're pretty dialed. You know, got them set pretty good.
Compared to a lot of stuff, I mean, this is actually you're really in control.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
not like I was talking to your dad about dirt biking and
Yeah.
MXing and.
Yeah, you can. I mean, we can see pretty much out in front of us doing the wheelie, look kind of to the side of the tank, and then yeah, we can slow them down, especially once we scrape them and stuff like that. We get down to 10 miles an hour or under, you know, on a wheelie. So
Which make it look very impressive.
I appreciate it.
All right, we will see this in a minute. Thanks for talking to me, and I will see you shortly.
Later.
frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
So some of you guys might remember, this is actually the same bike I rented last summer to ride down to Grenada. And I am so in love with it. Oh, if only YouTube were doing better. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, put into that Patreon, buy my shirts, buy my supplements, help me get this bike. That's all. Contrary to what it looks like, this is not a wheelie machine. This is what Harley will put you on to teach you how to ride and how to shift and go through the gears before you actually get on the bike. So if you take the Harley Davidson rider course, this is the old street. I think this is a Street 500, and they will put you on this, and apparently they call it the jump start. So they'll teach you how to ride the bike, how to shift, how to brake, all that, without actually putting you on the bike to fall. So, and then as you can see, it's set up to fall. So once you learn how to stay on this thing, this bike goes out, and this is the one you actually ride. So once you learn all the controls on it, what to do on it, you take this exact bike, or one just like it, and you take it out and ride it.
I wish I knew.
Hey, you promised me an interview.
I did, didn't I? Yeah, that's working.
Alright, so from Mississippi, I'm technically from Tennessee, but I ride from Mississippi for Combat Vets 44-3. We're here to raise some money today. We got hot dogs, cheeseburgers, hamburgers, cookies, sodas, water, beer, Jello shots, you name it, we got it. Slushies with plain and slushies with drinks.
So you guys do a lot up here.
We do a lot. Yes. Helping vets. Get your tail over here, Commander. So we have a commander here. I'm the XO of the auxiliary. I got my commander for auxiliary here. So we all show up everywhere we go.
Sure get you some stuff on your arm.
So we're just here to have fun.
Right on.
Come up here a lot.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, guys, I'm here at Southern Thunder Harley Davidson with some special guys, the CVMA. Would you like to introduce yourself?
How you doing? I'm Fingers. I'm the chapter commander for 443, Combat Vets Motorcycle Association out of South Haven, Mississippi. What we do, we're combat vets. We have full members, been to combat, certified. We have auxiliary members and married to combat vets. We also have support members that were in the military but didn't actually get to deploy to the combat zone. What we do, we starts within, right? So we're there for each other all the time, every day of the week. There's times when we have to go out in the community and help folks in the community, either like donate money to a vet or go into their house and help them build a ramp or fix a wall or fix a roof. So that's what we do. We're just trying to be there for everybody that's out in the community and help our folks inside. So,
All right, so what are we here doing today?
today we're here to support our dealership, who helps in the community a lot, to raise money for vets. So any money we take in from these donations go into our account, and we'll push it back out in the communities when it's time.
Right on, sounds good. So who are you?
I'm Spanish. I'm the executive officer. I'm his right-hand man. like he was saying, we're a nonprofit, so all the money we raise goes back into our community, to the veteran community. Nothing, we don't keep anything on hand. It all goes back to our veterans. We do everything we can here in the community. Outside the community, our phones are always on. We answer the phones everywhere we go.
And you?
I'm Darlin. I'm Aux, so I'm not a veteran, but I'm married to a veteran, a combat vet. Our mission is vets helping vets. So we as auxiliary, we have fundraisers, and we have a scholarship fund that goes out to the veterans and their families. So not only the veterans can go to school, but their children, their grandchildren, nieces, nephews, and all of our money goes back into the scholarship funds for the Aux.
All right, well, it sounds good. So good luck, guys. Hope you're doing well today with your fundraiser.
Appreciate you.
All right, and it was nice talking to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, one last thing.
Darlin here again. I'm our PR officer also, and we're having a poker run at the end of September. It's our 5th annual Vettober poker run. And it's going to be up here in South Haven. I'm going to put it out there in social media. We hope to see y'all. We'll have a great time and raise a little bit of money and have a little bit of fun at Fox and Hound Grill here in South Haven. Hope to see you there.
So where's the poker run getting around to?
Oh, we've got stops at the VFW, American Legion, Frank's Grill, and then it comes back to Fox and Hound. And everywhere you go, you get well, we have a card that's going to get stamped, and we're going to give prizes for the best and worst. And we'll have vendors out there, and we'll be selling swag. And
We have a green egg, $1,600. #1 raffle prize. Donate some money, put your name in the pot, come get the green egg and win the green egg.
we've got a lot of cool prizes. We also have 50-50 and other raffle items. And the auxiliary have what? The duck. So each stop, you can buy ducks, $5 each, $20 for 5. And then you have that number goes in for a raffle, and you can win some prizes from What the Duck.
Excellent. All right, thanks again. Well, we're done there. We're gonna make a run home because it's time to eat, buds. Oh, this is what I wish we could lane split. So I'm gonna count this as another successful day out on the motorcycle. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and come back for more content like this where I get out and go to places and ride motorcycles, and I have more fun than should be humanly possible, but I do. All right guys, check you later.